This Korean soil trick is killing fertilizer sales. Transform your garden now. You know, soil can really make or break your garden. But what if I told you there's a simple ancient Korean technique that could slash your fertilizer use, improve your soil's health, and honestly, supercharge your plants without emptying your wallet? Gardeners around the world are quietly rediscovering this trick, and it's turning the gardening world upside down. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it in your backyard. Understanding the secret behind fertility without chemicals is, well, pretty fascinating. The magic of this method lies in enhancing what's already under your feet. Most gardeners rely on synthetic fertilizers to boost nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, but this approach taps into natural soil life. By feeding the microbes already in your soil, you create a self-sustaining ecosystem. Plants grow stronger because they're no longer just eating nutrients, they're building relationships with the tiny organisms that unlock those nutrients. The Korean technique that changes everything. At the heart of this method is a simple fermentation process. Koreans have long used fermented plant extracts to enrich their soil. These extracts are packed with micronutrients, enzymes, and organic acids that make soil nutrients more available to plants. Here's the exact formula you can try today. Take 500 grams of leafy greens, such as kale, spinach, or even garden scraps, and chop them finely. Place them in a 1-liter container, then add 2 liters of water. Cover the container loosely to allow gases to escape. Let it sit for 7 days in a warm spot, stirring daily. This produces a potent, nutrient-rich liquid that can be diluted 1:20 with water before applying directly to your garden beds. Why this works better than traditional fertilizer? Traditional fertilizers dump nutrients into soil, but much of it washes away or becomes locked in forms plants can't access. This Korean method stimulates the microbial community, which acts as a natural delivery system. Microbes break down organic matter and convert nutrients into forms plants can absorb. You're not just feeding your plants, you're feeding an entire ecosystem that amplifies every drop of nutrient. Over time, your soil becomes resilient, fertile, and self-replenishing. Application is key. You'll want to use this fermented plant extract once every 2 weeks during the growing season. And remember, dilute it as instructed. Never apply full strength since it can burn seedlings. Just pour it around the base of each plant, letting it seep into the root zone. For larger gardens, you can mix the extract with irrigation water to cover wider areas evenly. Consistency matters more than quantity. Each batch you make introduces beneficial microbes that multiply in your soil. Think of it kind of like compounding interest for your garden. Over weeks and months, your soil transforms from tired and dependent on chemicals to thriving and self-sufficient. To maximize the effect, combine this fermented liquid with a layer of organic mulch. Mulch conserves moisture, prevents weeds, and creates a steady supply of organic matter for microbes to feed on. Composting works in tandem. Adding mature compost before applying your fermented extract gives microbes both nutrients and habitat. The result is a vibrant, self-sustaining garden system that quietly outperforms chemical fertilizers without polluting your soil. Not all plants respond the same. Leafy greens, tomatoes, and cucumbers really thrive with this method. Root crops benefit too, but, be careful to adjust dilution just a bit. Doubling the water for sensitive seedlings helps prevent overfeeding. Over time, as you observe your garden, you'll kind of instinctively know when the soil is hungry or content. This adaptability is what makes the Korean method so revolutionary. It's not a one-size-fits-all chemical application. It's gardening that's tuned to nature. Here's the truth. Fertilizer companies want you to keep buying, but with this simple, low-cost technique, you can totally break free. You're not just saving money, you're improving your garden, your food, and honestly, the environment too. Healthier soil produces healthier plants, which in turn give you more nutrient-rich food. Start your first batch today. Gather your greens, chop, ferment, dilute, and pour. Watch your soil come alive and your plants respond in ways chemical fertilizers just never could. With patience and consistency, your backyard becomes a living, breathing system that actually feeds itself. If you're serious about mastering your garden, Remember to subscribe to Soil Sage Chronicles for more proven tips, experiments, and soil secrets that actually work. Share this method with fellow gardeners so they too can unlock the hidden potential beneath their feet. Your soil will thank you, your plants will thrive, and you'll finally feel in control of your garden's destiny.